Want to see how you can book cricket tickets instantly with just a few clicks? Let's build this game-changing app together using Claude Artifacts. Follow along as we create this interactive app step by step. As you watch the screen, the magic begins with a single prompt to Claude. No coding needed at all. Instantly, Claude generates an incredible amount of underlying code behind the scenes, building the entire cricket ticket booking app in moments. The speed is truly insane, transforming a simple instruction into a fully functional application almost instantly. Once created, we get a live preview of our app right away. From here, we have the flexibility to customize the interface as needed, adjusting ticket options and layout to our liking. When satisfied, we simply publish the app to make it live and accessible to users. Claude handles all the technical complexities, so you can focus on what matters, creating and launching your app effortlessly. Thanks for watching. If you want more easy-to-follow AI project tutorials, subscribe to AI Simplified. Start building smarter apps today with Claude Artifacts.